unlock the spectral secret finally. We're diving deep into how to snag that elusive ghost cookie in Blooket. The ghost cookie isn't just any item. It's a super rare find, and getting it requires a bit of strategy and a whole lot of luck. While the exact spawn rate is a mystery, the ghost cookie is most commonly found in specific Blooket game modes. Your best bets are Tower Defense and Gold Quest. In Tower Defense, focus on playing challenging games. The tougher the waves of Blooks, and the longer you survive, the higher your chances of the ghost cookie appearing after a round or at the end of the game. For Gold Quest, keep an eye out for bonus rounds or special event tiles that might appear on the board. These can sometimes yield rarer items, including our spectral treat. The absolute key here is consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't find it. After a few tries, keep playing these modes regularly. Another way the ghost cookie can appear is through chests. The rarer the chest, the better your odds, so aim to earn those higher tier chests by performing well in games. Pro tip: playing with friends can sometimes make games more engaging and lead to better performance, indirectly boosting your chances. Also, pay attention to any in-game events Blooket might announce, as they sometimes increase the spawn rate of rare items. Remember, persistence is your greatest ally. Keep playing, keep exploring those game modes, and you'll eventually add that coveted ghost cookie to your collection.